On top of Pincushion, I don't know. Hey, look at that bird. You see that? Ah, timing is good. Perfect timing. Yeah, perfect timing. 360, I don't know. On top of pin. Very pretty. Ooh, Table Mountain is beyond there. This is where we came from. It's way down that way. Chúng gọt ta ha, ta chẳng mà. Look at your jet, that pen or the very pretty. This is the Eastern Sierra side. Yosemite, toward Yosemite. And then if you go this way, then it's to the northeast side of the mountain, of the Sierra. Very pretty area. All right, and then if you come around this way, this is Fresno here. Milton Lake, front on top.
Found it.
Very pretty, 380 degrees.
I have no glasses.
The sunset tonight should be really nice, and with all the clouds. You know what I mean? Like it's peeking through right now, so it should be really good tonight. Sunset is no good without the clouds, so I can see it coming up good. It would be really nice to be up here when the sun sets. Chúng con là Fresno, okay? Right here, down this way. Fresno, down this way. And then Sierra here.
My culture!
All right.